Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing good. In my today's this video, I will tell you about the volume button problem in your device Galaxy M13. So if in this device you are having any problem like the volume button of the device is not working, or you are having any other issue related to the volume button of the device, you can easily fix it following the few steps as I will tell you in this video. Before we move on to the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps in past minute video and you will learn how you can fix the volume button issue in your device. Let's watch it.